My name is Rodolfo and Rogelio.
My name is Rogelio, and I'm also a vehicle service worker / detailer.
We go to our lead, then he'll assign us a vehicle, and then we start the process of washing it, the first wash, and then we start doing the inside of the vehicles and detailing and cleaning them from the roof all the way to the floor and every nook and cranny around it.
We tried our best, to take care of like if it was one of our own vehicles.
Yeah, like our own personal and or like our business. So we want to make sure we do a good job, mainly because obviously it's for the people, it's for the drivers, but also mainly for the people of the community.
And then maybe the ridership will go up, and some it's cleaner. I don't mind riding it. I don't mind, hey, let's take the family for a little trip around the city.
I also have brothers and sisters that also actually ride these buses as well, so it makes me feel good that I'm working here and not being part of it, detailing and keeping it clean for my family as well, that uses the same vehicle as.
We should always take pride in whatever we're doing.
Take pride in your work.
Take pride in your work, knowing that you're gonna go in and knowing your schedule, knowing that I can take my daughter to practice after, or I can spend time.
Yeah, I would agree with that. Definitely the stability. When you're coming in, when you're leaving, that's perfect for us, especially our family.
After here, go work at home.
Work on your garden.
Work on the garden. Live a peaceful life.